Okay, for the turn signal replacement lights, obviously this plug is what you're going to be removing from in your car. And you'll notice there are 3 connectors inside that are going to line up with the standard wire. And the standard wire, we've already removed it from the car. And you can see here on the right, this is the Tesla wire harness. And inside of here are 3 plug holes on the male side. So that was plugged into this, to the turn signal. The new one's now in place. So the new wire from the unit we're giving you is here. And a lot of people have been asking us about the number of pins inside and how it may vary and how there's only 2 pins in this connector. But don't worry, it doesn't make a difference. So now let us show you how to put them together. It is a little different and it is a little tight, but they do fit. So here in this extreme close-up, I'm going to show you, you just simply line them up together and you have to fight it really hard and pinch it really hard. It will insert, the male will insert into the female, and then if you ever want to take it off, watch how easy it disconnects. You release the red tab, pull it away, and now we'll put it back in one more time. Line them up. And sometimes getting it to that point is very hard because you can't get the white one inside. So you have to wiggle it up and down and make sure you're lined up correctly where this is going to line up with that end and go straight in. So you got to round it on the top, flat on the bottom, and then when you line it up, you should see the front of the wire harness clip going to connect there and there with the red on the back. Okay? So this doesn't make a difference where this is. We're going to lock this in after. But right now, we're going to pinch it all together. Once you pinch it, then you lock it, and it's all the way in. So make sure it looks just like this, and the white male side inserts into the black perfectly.